From electric air taxi progress charging up to missile tracking spacecraft production, here are some aerospace stocks to keep a radar lock on. Starting with ACHR Aviation, which is now one big step closer to launching electric air taxi operations in the U.S. The U.S. Department of Transportation and Federal Aviation Administration selected ACHR's partners in Texas, Florida, and New York to participate in the White House's eVTOL Integration Pilot Program. The program is designed to help regulators, industry participants, and local governments establish operational standards for eVTOL aircraft, representing the first major new aircraft category in nearly 80 years. Through the program, ACHR will work with regional partners, including the Texas Department of Transportation, the Florida Department of Transportation, and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, to prepare infrastructure, operational teams, and procedures for the deployment of its Midnight electric air taxi. ACHR is looking to begin early operations in the second half of 2026. The Midnight aircraft is a piloted electric air taxi designed to carry 4 passengers while producing less noise and fewer emissions than traditional helicopters. Built with redundant safety systems, including 12 engines and propellers, the aircraft targets safety levels comparable to commercial airliners. ACHR's goal is to reduce urban travel times dramatically by replacing 60 to 90-minute ground commutes with short flights lasting approximately 5 to 15 minutes. The pilot program will also help generate data and public familiarity ahead of larger deployments, including potential operations tied to the 2028 Los Angeles Olympic Games. ACHR also announced a partnership with Starlink, marking the satellite internet provider's entry into the emerging air mobility sector. Under the agreement, ACHR will install Starlink's low Earth orbit satellite connectivity system in Midnight aircraft. ACHR and Starlink also plan to explore future connectivity solutions, supporting autonomous aircraft operations. On the hangar side of aviation, StandardAero signed a general terms agreement with aircraft leasing company Aviation to provide maintenance, repair, and overhaul services for CFM International LEAP 1A, LEAP 1B, and CFM 56-7B aircraft engines. Aviation, headquartered in Saudi Arabia and backed by the Public Investment Fund, currently manages a portfolio of roughly 200 modern aircraft leased to 53 airlines. The agreement allows StandardAero to support Aviation's global fleet with engine maintenance services from its facilities in San Antonio, Texas, Winnipeg, Canada, and Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. StandardAero is expanding its capabilities for the LEAP engine family, including component repair development and technician training programs. Meanwhile, BlackSky Technology secured a 7-figure contract renewal from the U.S. National Geospatial Intelligence Agency under the LUNR A Facility Monitoring Delivery Order. The contract renewal reflects strong customer satisfaction with BlackSky's AI-driven change detection analytics. BlackSky uses a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites to monitor more than 14 million square kilometers of Earth's surface, tracking activity at military and economic facilities such as ports, airfields, railways, and military bases. Its analytics platform detects changes in patterns of activity, such as vehicle, aircraft, and vessel movement, to provide intelligence insights. Although it remains unprofitable, it attracts attention from investors for its strong margins and expected revenue growth. Then when it comes to missile movements, Intuitive Machines announced that its subsidiary Lanteris Space Systems was selected by L3Harris Technologies to help build spacecraft for the U.S. Space Development Agency's Tranche 3 Tracking Layer program. It will design and deliver 18 spacecraft platforms used for space-based missile tracking, including detection of hypersonic and ballistic missile threats. The satellites will form part of the Proliferated Warfighter Space Architecture, a distributed network intended to provide global missile detection coverage and improved responsiveness for U.S. and allied defense forces. Similar to the kind of detection, coverage, and responsiveness when filtering the market with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.